What is your name and where do you stay?
My name is Pooja Jaisingh. I live in Vadala.
Okay. What is your child's name and age?
My child's name is Kabir Nirmal Jaisingh and his age is 3.5. He'll be turning 4. Sorry, he'll be turning 4 in July.
Okay. What were you looking for him?
See, I'm a full-time mother, so as a mother, I'm doing my best because I've given up my professional career in his development. And I was definitely looking for some sort of activity which had a personal touch and helped develop Kabir as a child. So, yeah, I mean, it was just not an activity, it was an overall holistic development for him from interaction to personality, because I'm very, very particular about, even attitudes, value or personal growth of the child. So,
okay. So before joining Kindernest, did you consider any options?
Not at all, because I feel every activity center is only a center. It doesn't have that personal touch. So not to deny that I did not go through centers or I did not survey, I did, but I was not convinced with any center as such. Yes, when I met Shraddha and Disha in Kindernest, I felt that personal touch in them, even in the first meeting. So that put me forward to even travel from Vadala and bring my child here. Because usually it's said that you should not overload your child or push him for an activity till he's 4 or 4.5. But I think Kabir started 6 months back, and he was youngest in his batch of knowledge expedition. That was his first activity. Not even I would not say it's an activity, but I see a lot of development in Kabir even with school is not giving him. And you wouldn't believe this is Kabir's 4th school where he's studying now. Because of changing residences and moving in and out of Mumbai, we have made life difficult for Kabir. But now I see the other way, because Kabir has become a confident child not through the school but through Kindernest.
Okay, so how was your son's experience in Kindernest?
Beautiful. He loves to come back here. In fact, sometimes he will tell me I don't want to go to school, but he waits. I mean, he didn't know what is a Thursday. I did not really start with week of the day or a Monday. But now he knows that it's an activity which I have to go, and I'll get to meet my Shraddha teacher. I think Shraddha teacher is his first favorite teacher he's interacted with. So yeah, he wants to come back here.
Okay.
And to add to it, Kabir, I have enrolled him for 2 more classes, and that is with his permission. Because usually we as mothers or parents take the liberty and decide for children, but I give an opportunity to my child to decide. So I even discussed their pamphlet with him to tell him which classes they are running and which one he would want to consider. All he said that I want to go to Shraddha and Disha teacher, and when I discussed the activities, like Kabir will be coming for talkathon. So I told him talkathon is something where you will be socially confident, you can talk to people, you will stand out in the crowd. So he said, yeah, I would like to join that class, and will I have Shraddha and Disha teacher taking me around on that activity? I said, yeah. So,
okay. Can anything be better in Kindernest?
I would not say for betterment as of now. What I would request them to continue is the consistency in their feedback sessions which they share with parents. Usually if you drop, Kabir did do a speech in drama also with Rel Padamsis. But there what I didn't get was feedback on the child. For every parent it's important, and I know for a center it's too many children and they can't be meeting or talking to parents every now and then. What is exclusive and unique about Kindernest is their interaction with the parent. That's very important, and I think every activity center, the reason we send them away from a school for an activity is to make friends, socialize, open up, development. And that will only get an end-to-end cycle when the activity center speaks to the parent about their development. And that is what Kindernest is giving to the parents. At least I get it. I definitely get it.
Okay, finally on the scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate Kindernest for other parents?
I would rate 5 because I have been strongly promoting them while I'm not an ambassador, but I'm doing that in and out, and I believe in it, and I will continue to, avail Kindernest as an activity center for Kabir.
Okay, thank you so much.